In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace all special characters in Power Automate. This process is incredibly useful when you need to clean up text data by removing any unnecessary symbols and characters, ensuring that your data is both consistent and easy to read. We'll go through each step carefully, so you'll be able to follow along without any trouble and apply these techniques to your own projects. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up a variable to hold the original string we'll be working with. This is essentially going to be our starting point, providing the text data that contains the special characters we want to eliminate. To do this, you'll first add an action called initialize variable. You'll find this under the variables connector. Once you've added this action, it's time to configure it. You'll need to give your variable a name, and in this case, let's call it original string. Set the type to string, which is suitable for text data. The value you'll want to use for this demonstration is new/product@launch feb. This string includes a variety of special characters we intend to replace, providing a clear example of how our method works. With our variable setup, let's move on to the next step, which involves using a nested replace function with a compose action. The idea here is to systematically replace each special character in the string. What we're doing is layering these replacements, so the first character gets replaced, then the result of that gets sent to replace the next, and so on. This nested structure ensures each character is addressed efficiently. To start, add an action called data operation, compose. Once you've done this, you'll click on the inputs field. It's important to select expression at this stage. Here, you'll enter the replace formula to effectively remove the special characters from the original string. This formula will guide Power Automate in understanding exactly what we're trying to accomplish, ensuring clarity and accuracy in the final output. Now let's take a look at the output. After setting up your compose action, click OK and remember to save your flow. Saving is crucial, as it ensures all your configurations and inputs are preserved. Once saved, you're ready to test and run the flow manually. Choose to test the flow and keep an eye on the output of your compose action. This is where you'll find the clean version of your string sans any special characters. If you've followed these steps correctly, your output should read new product launch feb, a clear, concise version of your original string. This not only makes your data cleaner, but also significantly more usable for any downstream applications you might have. By following these straightforward steps, you now know how to replace all special characters in Power Automate effectively.